নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, আজি মই এটা বিষয়ৰ ওপৰত আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ। বিষয়টো হৈছে এটিটিউড। এটিটিউড হ'ল চিন্তাধাৰা। The longer I live, the more I realize the impact of attitude on life. Attitude to me is more important than facts. It is more important than the past, than education, than money, than circumstance, than failures, than success, than what other people think, say, or do. It is more important than the appearance, giftedness, or skill. I will make or break a company, a church, a home. The remarkable thing is we have a choice every day regarding the attitude we will embrace for that day. We cannot change our past. We cannot change the fact that people will act in a certain way. We cannot change inevitable. The only things we can do is play on the one thing we have, and that is our attitude. I am convinced that life 10% what happens to me and 90% how I react it. And so it is with you. We are in charge of our attitude. Attitude full form hoise as equal always get work. T is equal treat your work with respect. T is equal talk and say to yourself. I is equal interact with work correctly. T is equal turn up to work with a positive attitude. U is equal understanding your success. D is equal discover the impact you have around work. E is equal exit your work. যদি আপোনালোকে মোৰ দফাটো শুনি ভাল পালে আপোনালোকে লাইক কমেণ্ট আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব, আৰু ইয়াৰ অসমীয়া ভাঙনিটো মই পিছৰ এটা ভিডিঅ'ত আগবঢ়াম। ধন্যবাদ। পুলিন চেতিয়া ধেমাজি।